Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to make a fishtail friendship bracelet. For the bracelet I will use these cords. As you can see, I have two blue cords, two black cords and two brown cords. I will begin by measuring a bit of this cord and then making a knot. And then with a clamp I will grab these cords and I will order the cords in the mirror. So I will put the black cords outside I will put the blue cords next to the black cords and the brown cords in the middle. Now I will start braiding. For the fishtail friendship bracelet I will bring the outer cords in the middle like this, until I get to the end of the bracelet. So let's begin with the outer two cords with the black cords like this. So I have crossed them and put them in the middle. Now I take the second cord, the blue cord. I will bring the blue cord like this in the middle and the other blue cord again in the middle, like this. So as you can see here, from a closer distance, I have brought the two cords that were on the outside in the middle, and here I have created the fishtail aspect of the bracelet. And now let's repeat these steps with the brown cord, which is now on the outside, and let's bring it inside of the bracelet like this. So as you can see, the aspect of fishtail has already appeared. And again, let's repeat those steps. So we'll put the black cord outside, then the blue cord, and then the brown cord. And again, I will take the black cord and put it in the middle. I will take the other black cord and put it in the middle like this. And then I take the blue cord, put it in the middle, and the other blue cord I'll put it again in the middle. And again I take the brown cord from the edge and put it in the middle. Like this. So as you can see, the fishtail aspect of the cord is already visible. And let's continue braiding this way using these rules until the bracelet is finished, and then I will show you how to make the closure of the bracelet. And now the bracelet is almost ready. I will make one or two more knots. Like this. And now at this point here I will make another knot, like this. Now I have a knot at this end and another knot at this end. And now let's cut the cord so that we have a cord that is equally long. So let's put the knots next to each other and let's cut the cord. This way. And now I have these two cord ends and I will attach the bracelet to my arm, to my wrist. So I will make a knot like this, and this is what the fishtail friendship bracelet looks like.